Namaste. Santamira English Medium School, run by Janakalyan Trust, is situated in the peaceful village of Indalga, Belgavi, as a source of light and guidance in darkness. Rooted in ancient Bharatiya traditions and modern professional practices where dreams take flight. Our school's motto is Sa Vidyaya Vimuktaye, is a Sanskrit phrase that means knowledge is that which liberates. This phrase highlights the transformative power of knowledge and education by emphasizing that true knowledge is that which connects us to very rich Bharatiya culture along with Adhyatma and Vigyan. With this vision in mind, let us take a glimpse into the remarkable journey of our school. As Swami Vivekananda once said, strive for excellence not for the sake of external rewards, but for the sake of inner fulfillment. Our school day begins with the refreshing sound of Agnihotram, followed by recitation of shlokas from the Bhagavad Gita and Sanskrit mantras. Students engage in traditional Indian art forms like Bharatanatyam, instrumental music and Malkham, promoting physical fitness, discipline and creativity. Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. Our school recognizes the vital role of teachers in balancing young minds. Hence, we host various workshops and teachers training programs, including Sanskrit Sambhashan Shibir, communication skills, Mota skills, creative teaching workshops for pre-primary teachers, Disha Bharati character building of students, Vidya Bharati Shaikshanik Sammelan, Prantiya Vigyan and Ganit workshops were held. On 27th of January 2024, our school was awarded an international award for Sanskrit telefilm Amba Amba in Chennai. The award was presented by Shri Vivek Agnihotri, filmmaker and director, and Dr. Shri Murugan, Ministry of State, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India. This year, our students of grade 3rd to 8th standard will be appearing for Sanskrit Sarla exams. Mata Ramo Matpita Ramachandraha, Swami Ramo Matsaka Ramachandraha, Sarvasvam me Ramachandro Dayalu, Nanyam Jane Naiva Jane na Jane. Actually, Deepavali is celebrated in the month of October or November, but this year, Deepavali was recreated in the month of January throughout Bharat on the occasion of Ramlalla's Pranpratisthapana at Ayodhya. To make this celebration memorable, students of our school decorated the school by making rangolis, singing and dancing. May the celebration of Ramlalla's Pranpratisthapana inspire us to work towards a society that values justice, equality and compassion. Education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. Along with academics, a very special holistic program was introduced for grade 8, that is Vikas class. Here, students are guided in many areas. The Vikas class students and scouts and guide students together had been to Mahipalgarh and Vaishnath for trekking. Objectives of holding the camp were to develop young people's character, self-reliance and leadership skills. Knowledge is power, but awareness is the key. Voting awareness. Cleanliness program on 2nd October, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Environmental Day, World Yoga Day, Vanamotsava and Nutrition Week. Rupa Chinchavadi Foundation is helping our SSLC students by introducing a program, Rupa Chetana, wherein students of standard 10th are guided to overcome the fear of board exams. Our school has Matru Bharti committee, and for our school matas, every month sessions were conducted such as empowerment of mothers and guardians in children's development, effective storytelling while feeding children. Education is not about being the best, it is about being better than you were. The will to win is important, but the will to prepare is vital. Our school students participated in inter-school competitions like Tata National Building Essay Writing Competition, National Level Cultural Exam, BDS exam, Karnataka Maths Talent Competitive Exams, and Indradhanush Drawing Competition. District level Jnana Vigyan Mela of Vidyabharati was hosted by our school, wherein 10 Vidyabharati affiliated schools participated. A very unique concept was introduced in this exhibition. Our students qualified for state level Vidyabharati competition in Sanskrit Jnana Vigyan quiz, maths model, and science model. It was judged by professors from GIT, GSS, and Jain College of Engineering. Parikshan Charitable Trust have demonstrated science experiments in our school under Vigyan Ratha program that has benefited over 15 lakh students across Tamil Nadu and neighboring states. Our students participated in quiz competition organized by Bharat Vikas Parishad, wherein our students qualified for the district level and participated at Gangavati for state level. One of our teachers, Sanika Undre, was honored as Best Teacher Award. Best Boy and Best Girl Award was awarded to Kumari Ashmita Kadolkar and Kumar Sri Krishna Tuppat of class 10th by Bharat Vikas Parishad under Sanskar Project Guru Vandana and Chhatra Abhinandan for the year 2024-25. Sarvamangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Trambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. We celebrate Dasra in a grand manner. The students of pre-primary were in the attire of Navadurga. Dandiya and colors decoration competition were held for Matas. Deeposava is a grand celebration in our school, filled with the light, joy, and festivity. On this day, teachers and mothers join hands to create vibrant rangolis, where parents and grandparents come together to play games, sing, and dance. The program came to an end with the sharing of faral, which was relished by one and all, promoting a sense of shared joy and celebration. Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. National festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti, Teachers Day, Children's Day, and Rajyotsav Day are celebrated every year in our school. A smooth road leads to prosperous journey. This proverb highlights the importance of well-designed and well-maintained infrastructure in supporting growth and development. This year, our school inaugurated new classrooms, science laboratory, and sports room. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them, a desire, a dream, a vision. Annual Sports Meet 2024-25 was organized wherein the drill displays were performed by pre-primary followed by 4 Gana. Those are Arjun Gana, Eklavya Gana, Dronacharya Gana, and Balaram Gana. Hindalga cluster level sports meet was also held in our school, wherein 15 schools participated. Our school won in the event such as Kho-Kho, high jump, and chess. We live in a wonderful world that is full of beauty, charm, and adventure. There is no end to the adventures we can have if only we seek them with our eyes open. To explore the knowledge about the nature and environment, excursion was held in the month of November and December for the students of nursery to 10th standard to various places within and out of Belgavi area. In retrospect, Sant Mira English Medium School Lakshminagar Hindalga is testament to the power of education and fearlessly integrates ancient traditions with modern teaching methodology with its emphasis on academics, sports, co-curricular activities and value-based education. Our school prepares students to become well-rounded individuals who are ready to make positive impact on the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey of education. Learning is a lifelong path that never ends, but keeps growing into a quest for wisdom, understanding, and excellence. Dhanyavad.